Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Double Pinch on Apple Watch Ultra. This innovative feature lets you control your watch by simply tapping your index finger and thumb together twice. It's designed for moments when your other hand is busy, making tasks like answering calls or dismissing notifications incredibly convenient. Imagine you're carrying groceries. A quick double pinch can manage your watch without a free hand. It truly enhances the accessibility and ease of use for your Apple Watch Ultra. 1, 6, 12. To activate double pinch, open the Settings app on your Apple Watch or use the Watch app on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Accessibility, then tap on Assistive Touch. Make sure Assistive Touch is toggled on and then go into Hand Gestures to enable them. Here, you can also customize what a double pinch does, allowing you to tailor it to your most frequent needs. 1, 5, 7, 11, 12. The double pinch gesture offers numerous practical applications. For instance, when a call comes in, a simple double pinch can answer it. You can also use it to pause or play music, dismiss an alarm, or stop a timer, which is incredibly useful if your hands are messy while cooking. It even allows you to navigate your smart stack and scroll through widgets, making your daily interactions smoother and more efficient. 1, 6, 10, 12, 13. For the best experience, always raise your wrist to wake your Apple Watch before performing the double pinch, as this helps with recognition. Practice the gesture a few times to get a feel for the precise movement that works consistently for you. Remember, while highly versatile, some specific apps or complex actions might not respond to double pinch. You can also customize the gesture in settings to perform your most used actions, enhancing your overall efficiency. 2, 4, 6, 10, 11, 12.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.